Good morning, students. Welcome back. We were studying about a story of Tenali Raman and the king. Correct. So what Tenali Raman was doing? Tenali Raman was drawing a picture, right? In this chapter, I explained you in first video of this chapter. I explained you about Tenali Raman, what he does in the kingdom. Who is Tenali Raman? Tenali Raman is a pandit who has knowledge of all subjects. Tenali Raman is a pandit who has knowledge of all subjects, and so as he is intelligent, so his advice is taken by the people in the kingdom. Okay, and then it is said that he was Tenali Raman's stories are very much famous. You know it very well. There are many story books in which you will study about Tenali Raman. Okay, and then in first video, last part of the video was not able to, it was not audible, right? You could not hear what I was explaining, so I will explain you this story again. Yeah, now Tenali Raman draws a picture. Now what happened in this story? There was a soldier, or you can say messenger of a king, messenger of queen. So there was a soldier who went to Tenali Raman and said him, "Sir, good afternoon, sir. King wants you." What he said? "Good afternoon, sir. King wants you." What was the reply given by Tenali Raman? Tenali Raman said, "Shh, do not disturb me. I am doing work, or I am drawing a picture." What he said? "Do not disturb me. I am drawing a picture." Okay. So then when he said that, then did messenger disturb him again? No, messenger did not disturb him. So messenger went back and told king that Tenali Raman is busy in his work. So then king thought, what is more important than me? When I have sent message to Tenali Raman to come, because the king had some work. But when Tenali Raman said that no, I have some work, then what work did Tenali Raman had? So to see that work, who went in the room of Tenali Raman? King went to Tenali Raman to see what he is doing, and there he said, "Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing?" What did king say? King asked him, "I was waiting for you. I had given message with a messenger, and I told messenger to call you. I was waiting for you. What are you doing?" At that time, then Tenali Raman said that, "Sir," or then "Your Majesty." Majesty means what? When we say Your Majesty, means we give respect to elder ones. When we give respect to elder ones, that time we bow down, right? We bow down and then say, "Your Majesty," or then "Respected sir," "Good morning sir," "Good morning teachers," "Good morning ma'am." That is what respect which is given to the elder ones, or to the higher post people. Then Tenali Raman said that, "I am drawing picture. There is a cow who is eating loads of grass. I am drawing picture of a cow eating loads of grass." So then king said, "Please, can you show me the picture? Or we would like to see the picture which you are drawing, in which you are too busy." Then Tenali Raman says that there is a cow who is eating loads of grass. And when king saw the picture, Tenali Raman told him, "Sir, you can see, Your Majesty, you can see the picture." But the picture was total blank. There was nothing on drawing board. As nothing was there on drawing board, king said, "There is no picture, there is no loads of grass, there is not lot of grass in the picture, there is no cow eating the grass. What are you saying me? You have not drawn a single picture." Then Tenali Raman said, First I have drew grass. Okay, first I had drew grass, and after that I have drawn cow. But what happens, sir? Cow ate the grass and walked away. What did cow do? Cow ate the grass and went away. So then when he said in such a way, when he said that after eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty. And what was the expression of the king? King laughed. King said, ha ha ha, you make me laugh always. Raman, you always make me laugh. Are you understanding? Now just imagine when Tenali Raman is using his memory in such a way that nothing is drawn on picture. He is using his intelligence to tell king that he has drawn picture, but I had drawn picture of grass and cow ate grass and she left or she walked away, and there is there is nothing on a drawing board, or so there is nothing in the picture, or there is nothing on a drawing board. So this made king laugh, and he said, Tenali Raman, you make me laugh always. You make me laugh always. Have you understood story? Huh? And the homework was given to you. I told you to write down this question answers. In yesterday's period, I gave you all answers of these questions on board. No one has done. Only 2 or 3 students are doing homework of 3rd standard of English. Questions are given here. What did the king see on Raman's board? Had Raman really drawn a cow eating a grass? Can a cow walk away from a picture? No. I told you, I have explained you these questions in your second lecture or second period of this lesson. Okay. Now here, write down questions and answers of lesson number 3. Tenali Raman draws a picture. You have to write down these 3 questions in your notebook. And please send your homework on WhatsApp group. Okay. Now, I think you have understood about the story of Tenali Raman draws a picture. Have you understood? Because in first video, some part of video you could not hear. So I have repeated the story for you. Okay. Now, the next poem. Next topic which we are going to study is poem. What we are going to study? We are going to study a poem. Now name of a poem is a string song. String means what now? String. If I'll ask you string, then you will say lace. Girls will say string means lace. If I'll ask boys what is meaning of string, then you will say dori. Correct or not? You will say ribbon. There are many things which comes under string. If I'll say go and bring one string, then some of you will go and bring ribbon, some of you will go and bring real string. We have rope that you will bring, or you will bring wire rope. There are various views of string, and in this poem we are going to study a string song. What we are going to study? String song. String means what? String means what? Dori. Okay. And in this song there is a string of boys and girls. 8 students will take part. Now it is not possible, I cannot call you here, but 7 to 8 students will take part in this song. Okay. First one will say he has bought something from market. Second one will say what first has brought, that also he will say. For example, I went to a market. Now here it is given. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I bought a bunch of apples. First boy. The second boy will say. He will repeat same sentences again. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I bought a bunch of apples. Now he will add his also. He has a bunch of apples was of whose? First child. Second child will say what? I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I bought bunch of apples and what we can say, bunch of apples and 2 coconuts. Or then I bought bunch of apples and some coconuts. That is what I got. The third child will say same. Now first child what he said, second child what he said, third child what he said. Now third child will say I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I bought bunch of apples. Or get it now? I bought 10 apples. The second I bought 10 apples. I bought some coconuts, and I bought a pencil. That is what I got. Now again fourth child will continue. Now first child what he has bought, second child what he has bought, third child what he has bought, fourth child will continue that 3 and he will add his fourth one. Like that 8 students will take part, and we will we will make string of 8 students with 8 things. Now in this poem it is made, you can see over here, in this poem it is made. Now first child says, I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, that is what I got. The second child adds something. Now the second child is adding something. I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, that is what I got. The third child adds one more thing. I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, that is what I bought. And in this poem, after this, tomorrow I'll explain you this poem in detail. After this, we will make string of this thing. How many things are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will make string of these 7 things, and then we will make poem. Okay? This I will explain you more in detail. Here it is given. In this way, every child repeats in the correct order what other has said and adds something new of his own. What others have said. Now, what first child has said, that will be repeated by second child. He will add his one. What is said by second child, that third child will say of second child, and in that again he will add of his own. Fourth will add this, fifth will add, sixth will add, seventh will add. In this way we are going to make a string song. What we are going to make? We are going to make string song tomorrow, and I'll explain you this poem properly. Okay, I will explain you step by step. First this string song, and then after that we will make this string song, and this string song we will write down in our notebook. Okay, have you understood? Have you got little bit idea of string song? Okay, remaining poem, or then from starting onwards we will see poem in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.